Rocket Lab's Neutron is a cutting-edge, partially reusable medium-lift launch vehicle designed to support a variety of missions, including satellite constellations, deep space exploration, and human spaceflight. Standing 140 feet tall with a 7-meter diameter, it boasts an impressive payload capacity of up to 13,000 kilograms, 28,660 pounds, to low Earth orbit. Neutron is powered by 9 Archimedes engines on its first stage and a single engine on the second stage, utilizing liquid methane and liquid oxygen for efficient and sustainable propulsion. Its innovative design features a fully reusable first stage and fairing, along with a unique hung second stage, optimizing cost-effectiveness and mission flexibility. Scheduled for its first launch in 2025, Neutron represents a significant leap forward in launch vehicle technology, offering reliable and economical solutions for the evolving space industry. The Apple Vision Pro is a groundbreaking spatial computer that seamlessly integrates digital content with the physical world, running on Vision OS. It offers an intuitive interface controlled by your eyes, hands, and voice, delivering immersive environments powered by advanced cameras, sensors, and custom micro-OLED displays. Whether reliving cherished memories, engaging in a virtual workspace, or exploring new realms of creativity, Vision Pro transforms how you work, collaborate, and enjoy entertainment. With unparalleled efficiency and innovation, it sets a new standard for digital interaction, redefining the boundaries of technology and enhancing everyday life. The Proto by Proto hologram is the world's first tabletop holographic communication and media device, revolutionizing how we interact with digital content. Featuring a sleek 21.5-inch volumetric display, it delivers a lifelike holographic experience, making people and content appear as if they are right in the room. Ideal for applications such as shopping, entertainment, telemedicine, communication, fitness, and NFT displays, Proto is designed to be both portable and user-friendly. With its cutting-edge technology and innovative design, Proto M pushes the boundaries of next-generation holographic media, bringing the future of communication and interaction straight to your tabletop. The James Webb Space Telescope is a cutting-edge space observatory launched on December 25, 2021, and positioned at the second Lagrange point, L2, approximately 1.5 million kilometers from Earth. Featuring a 6.5-meter primary mirror, it captures infrared light, enabling it to observe the formation of the first galaxies, stars, and planetary systems. Equipped with advanced instruments like NIRCam, MIRI, NIRSpec, and FGS/NIRIS, Webb conducts detailed studies of exoplanets, black holes, and the atmospheres of distant worlds. Its mission is to enhance our understanding of the cosmos, explore the origins of the universe, and investigate the potential for life beyond Earth. The Mojo Vision Smart Contact Lens is a groundbreaking innovation in augmented reality, AR, seamlessly integrating digital content into your field of vision. Featuring the world's smallest micro-LED display, it projects high-resolution AR visuals while remaining invisible to others. With precise eye-tracking technology, users can interact with AR content simply by looking at it. Additionally, the lens offers health monitoring capabilities by analyzing tear fluid and tracking intraocular pressure, potentially detecting early signs of glaucoma. Designed for a hands-free and discreet AR experience, the Mojo Vision Lens redefines how we interact with our environment, blending digital information effortlessly with the real world. The Ecoflow Blade robotic lawn mower revolutionizes lawn care with its wire-free boundaries and advanced X-Vision technology, combining visual sensors and LiDAR for smart obstacle avoidance. It navigates around objects, reroutes automatically, and handles rough terrain with ease, offering a wide cutting range. Equipped with anti-theft features like GPS tracking and an integrated eSIM, it ensures security, while a built-in rain sensor detects bad weather and sends the mower back to its charger, keeping your lawn mud-free. Providing hassle-free, well-maintained lawns, the Ecoflow Blade is the ultimate solution for automated lawn care. The metaverse is an expansive virtual world that seamlessly integrates digital and physical reality, creating a shared 3D space where users, represented by avatars, can interact, socialize, and engage in various activities. Powered by advanced virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, technologies, it offers immersive experiences that transform how we connect, entertain, work, and conduct business. As the future of the internet, the metaverse provides endless possibilities for innovation and digital interaction, from virtual meetings and social gatherings to gaming and e-commerce. Revolutionizing social connections and economic opportunities, it introduces a dynamic and engaging platform for users worldwide in a new digital frontier. China's high-tech spherical security robot is revolutionizing urban policing with its ability to operate seamlessly on both land and water. Equipped with advanced tracking, combat, and capture technologies, this state-of-the-art device has been recently deployed in busy commercial districts, highlighting China's commitment to enhancing public safety through cutting-edge innovation. Beyond boosting policing efficiency, the robot acts as a strong deterrent to potential wrongdoers while offering real-time data collection and emergency response capabilities. By integrating robotics into everyday law enforcement, this innovative security solution sets a new benchmark for urban safety, ensuring that city streets remain well-monitored and secure. The Aeke K1 Smart Gym and Personal AI Trainer brings advanced technology and sleek design to home workouts, offering over 140 classes and 280 movements while ensuring proper form with real-time movement correction to prevent injuries and maximize efficiency. Its mirror-like design seamlessly integrates into any home, providing a stylish and functional workout space. The AI-driven system creates personalized workout plans based on a comprehensive fitness assessment, featuring heart rate monitoring and progress tracking to tailor each session to individual needs. Helping users train smarter, not harder, the Aeke K1 delivers a comprehensive and engaging fitness experience, making home workouts more effective and enjoyable. The Icon Vulcan 3D printer is a game-changer in the construction industry, designed to build homes and other structures with remarkable efficiency. Utilizing a proprietary material called lavacrete, the Vulcan can print structures up to 3,000 square feet without needing to be relocated. It is 1.5 times larger and twice as fast as its predecessor, achieving a print speed of 5 to 10 inches per second. The Vulcan is equipped with a portable mixing unit called Magma, which prepares lavacrete on-site and is controlled by Icon's advanced BuildOS software suite. This innovative technology aims to revolutionize home construction by making the process faster, more efficient, and generating less waste, paving the way for a new era in building. The TCL Rayneo X2 are cutting-edge augmented reality, AR, smart glasses that seamlessly merge digital content with the real world. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 platform, they feature binocular full-color micro-LED displays for high-resolution visuals. These glasses offer a wide range of functionalities, including real-time multilingual dialogue translation, smart navigation with simultaneous localization and mapping, SLAM, gesture recognition, and an all-in-one smart voice assistant. Lightweight and comfortable for extended wear, the Rayneo X2 aims to reduce the need for constant phone checking by integrating useful features directly into the glasses, providing a seamless and futuristic AR experience. Vertical farming skyscrapers represent a futuristic approach to sustainable agriculture by integrating advanced farming techniques into urban environments. These towering structures maximize space by stacking crops in vertical layers and utilizing technologies like hydroponics and LED lighting to grow food efficiently. By bringing agriculture into the city, vertical farming skyscrapers help address food security, reduce transportation costs, and minimize environmental impact. This innovative farming method is gaining global traction as a sustainable solution for feeding growing urban populations while significantly cutting down the carbon footprint associated with traditional farming practices. The Eviation Alice is a pioneering all-electric commuter plane designed to carry 9 passengers and 2 crew members. Developed in Israel, it features a sleek design with tailed tricycle landing gear and twin-mounted electric motors. Constructed using 95% composite material, the Alice is both lightweight and efficient. Its first successful flight on September 27, 2022, marked a significant milestone in electric aviation. With zero carbon emissions, lower operating costs, and reduced noise pollution, the Alice is poised to revolutionize regional travel for both passengers and cargo, offering a sustainable and efficient alternative to traditional aircraft.